We are currently looking at the setup of the camera system on Baku.
So
So that is where the bracket is at the moment, isn't it? Yeah. We use the cameras to take video transects of the seafloor environments during the dives. And we are currently trying to figure out what the best position for the camera system will be to also use them for photogrammetry reconstructions. Motion photogrammetry is a technique that essentially tries to build up 3D reconstructions from 2D information, from either using photo or from video data. Being able to build a 3D model that allows you to sort of flip the scene around in space, like actually to get a whole different perspective of the environment and kind of study it in a different way.
right there.
Right
See?
there,
So
yeah.
that's how much lower it
Exactly,
was.
so that's
Yeah.
so that's a little bit lower. Perfect. Today we're going to do a submersible dive down to 8,550 meters. We'll be doing a 1 kilometer transect at that depth to survey seafloor environments, biodiversity and habitats at those depths.
There we go.
There we go.
Getting close
All right.
to your body.
Yeah. So we are about 5 meters above the seafloor now. During the dives, we try and do transects at a slow and steady speed at a relatively constant distance from the seafloor. Oh, there's a whole bunch more of these stones in this direction, yeah. This will be nice for some 3D photogrammetry. Yeah, that's perfect. So after collecting all of that video data during the dive, I will spend some time reviewing it and filtering out sections that would be suitable to do reconstructions on. And so I am extracting individual photo frames from the video data, and it will use matching points between those images to try and come up with a 3D representation of those two-dimensional images. Now uploaded all of the images I want to upload for the software to start the process. So all of these dots here are the matching points it found between those images. When we scale the model, we are also able to extract microbathymetry, or something called an orthomosaic, which is a larger scale picture of the site. I use the microbathymetry to look at really fine scale three-dimensional structure of the environment. So those are things like slope, terrain variability, or the orientation. And the orthomosaic I use to look at the relative composition and abundance of substrate types or habitats in the area that we filmed. And then I try to link those metrics to the biology we observe in the video data to try and find out what aspects of the environment actually matters to the organisms and habitats we observe.